I did not get time to go to the Darjeeling due to the busy work. Finally, I took a few days off. So, let's start the story of my Darjeeling trip. I started the journey from Kolkata Sealdah stations. I woke up in the middle of the night and saw that the train had stopped. The train was standing on the platform for a while, and I started the day with a cup of tea. The journey started again. Finally, we end our train journey at New Jalpaiguri station. We took a private cab, leaving NGP for Darjeeling. Siliguri city was too good. Oh, I forgot. Our cab owner cum driver was an ex-Army. How suddenly the environment changed after leaving Siliguri city. Surrounded by plantations, tea gardens, forests, looks pretty nice. After going some distance, then few drops of rain. Then it started raining. I want to get wet, but after an hour and a half, I was very hungry. We parked the car in front of a hotel for the lunch. Suddenly, I saw the beautiful view of the mountain in front, and I made a video without wasting the time. I started journey again. After a while, we crossed the town of Darjeeling. Started to rain again, but this time it was heavy. The frequent rain of thick clouds. All around had a bit of fear in it. Don't know what will happen the next. front is covered with thick fog. Car was running between them. We passed the home station through the heavy rain. Not far away. End of March. Rain in the mountain. Can you imagine? After the rain, the sky is clear and the monastery in front is quite beautiful. Finally, we reached our destination, Darjeeling, the Queen of the Hills. Stay with me for the next episode.